Gingerbread, the very mention of this sweet treat evokes images of cozy kitchens filled with the warm scent of spice, the intricate details of frosting-laced houses, and the joy of baking with loved ones. Gingerbread-themed decorations have long been a staple of the holiday season, offering a playful yet nostalgic charm that never goes out of style. Whether you're looking to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere or add a whimsical touch to your space, gingerbread decor has an undeniable warmth and cheer that perfectly suits the festive season. From the comforting visuals of gingerbread houses to the sweet scent of cinnamon and cloves in every corner, gingerbread-themed decor offers a world of possibilities. Let's take a deeper dive into how you can transform your space into a winter wonderland, all inspired by the iconic flavors and sights of gingerbread. The centerpiece of any gingerbread-themed decor must surely be the iconic gingerbread house. These miniature constructions, often adorned with colorful frosting, candies, and intricate icing details, bring both charm and sweetness to your home. You can create a variety of gingerbread houses, from traditional ones that look like they've been dusted by snow to more whimsical, creative takes featuring unconventional color schemes or modern designs. If you prefer a more traditional approach, start with simple gingerbread houses made from foam or wood, then decorate them with faux frosting, glitter, and candy cane details. For added visual interest, consider placing these houses throughout your home, on mantels, along windowsills, or even in the center of your dining table as part of a charming centerpiece. The key to creating a magical effect is lighting, so consider incorporating string lights inside or around the houses to make them glow warmly, casting a soft, festive light. Alternatively, for a more elaborate display, you could build an entire gingerbread village to evoke the feeling of a bustling Christmas market. Beyond the houses themselves, adding elements like faux snow, mini gingerbread men, and even a few candy cane props around the houses can elevate the scene, creating a magical environment that feels like stepping into a real-life gingerbread wonderland. This will quickly become the focal point of your holiday decor, offering both whimsy and elegance. If these gingerbread-themed decorating ideas sweetened up your holiday spirit, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love festive and deliciously themed decor. There's no better way to embrace the gingerbread theme than by bringing the iconic gingerbread cookie to life in your decor. These treats, with their warm golden hue and adorable shapes, can be transformed into beautiful ornaments for your tree, your mantel, or anywhere that could use a little extra holiday cheer. Crafting your own gingerbread cookie ornaments is easy and offers endless creative possibilities. Start by creating classic gingerbread men and women using fabric, felt, or even air-dry clay for an earthy, rustic feel. For a more edible look, consider baking real gingerbread cookies, then decorating them with royal icing, sugar beads, or colorful sprinkles. These edible ornaments can be hung on the tree, used as tree toppers, or even strung together as a charming garland to hang across your mantel. Not only do they add a festive touch, but they also invite the delightful scents of gingerbread and cinnamon to infuse your home. You can also get creative with modern gingerbread ornament styles, think gingerbread cookies in the shape of Christmas trees, reindeer, or even snowflakes. For a personal touch, add small labels or initials to each cookie ornament, making it feel even more unique. Whatever the style, these gingerbread-inspired ornaments will bring your holiday decor to life, blending the playful and the nostalgic for an inviting atmosphere. Which gingerbread decoration is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're incorporating this sweet theme into your Christmas decor, hosting a holiday dinner or gathering. Gingerbread-themed table settings are a wonderful way to carry the charm of the gingerbread theme into every aspect of your holiday decor. Imagine a beautifully laid table, where everything from the napkins to the centerpiece reflects the sweet, whimsical spirit of gingerbread. The key to creating an enchanting gingerbread table setting lies in blending rustic, natural elements with playful, sweet touches. Start with gingerbread-inspired dishes and plates, which often feature frosted accents or gingerbread cookies as part of the design. Use napkins in soft shades of brown, red, or green to mimic the colors of gingerbread, and pair them with festive gold or silver cutlery to add a touch of elegance. For a playful twist, gingerbread-shaped cookie cutters can be used to cut out shapes in your napkins, or you could place small gingerbread cookies on each plate as both decoration and a treat for your guests. For the centerpiece, consider using a gingerbread house or a collection of mini gingerbread cookie ornaments. A few strategically placed gingerbread scented candles can also help set the mood, infusing the room with the sweet fragrance of spice. If you're hosting a more intimate gathering, consider placing gingerbread cookies in festive baskets or creating a DIY gingerbread cookie bar for guests to decorate their own treats. This not only enhances the experience but adds a fun and interactive element to your holiday table setting. For more creative holiday decorating tips, from gingerbread to all things festive, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. No gingerbread-themed home would be complete without a gingerbread-inspired wreath or garland to adorn your doors, walls, and windows. These elements bring a cohesive, festive look to your home, tying together the various gingerbread decorations you've used elsewhere. You can purchase pre-made gingerbread wreaths or create your own, adding personalized touches that reflect your own unique style. Start with a traditional greenery wreath, such as one made of pine or fir, and then decorate it with gingerbread cookie-shaped ornaments, mini candy canes, and faux frosting accents. Using a mixture of ribbons in candy-striped patterns or gingham prints can add texture and color to your wreath, while incorporating some metallic touches, like gold or silver beads, can make it feel more elegant. For garlands, create a continuous flow of gingerbread-themed elements. String together gingerbread men, candy shapes, and icing details, and hang them across your mantel, staircase railing, or even from your ceiling for a whimsical effect. You could also hang small gingerbread houses as part of the garland, each one carefully decorated with frosting and other festive embellishments. Adding faux snow or glitter to the garland will help it sparkle, capturing the magic of the season. Check out our Christmas decor playlist for more sweet ideas like these, from gingerbread-themed crafts to other festive and delicious decorating styles. Gingerbread-themed decorations are a beautiful blend of tradition and creativity. They evoke memories of childhood and family gatherings, of sweet treats and cozy moments by the fire. Whether you're crafting your own gingerbread house decorations, hanging gingerbread cookies as ornaments, or setting the most charming table for a holiday feast, these sweet touches can truly transform your space into a magical winter wonderland. What's wonderful about gingerbread decor is its versatility. It can be as nostalgic and simple as a few homemade ornaments hanging from the tree, or as elaborate as a full gingerbread village, complete with edible details and festive lights. Want to bring these gingerbread-themed decorations to life? Head to the description for links to all the products and supplies featured in today's video. The rich colors, the delightful shapes, and the warm scents of ginger and cinnamon work together to create an inviting atmosphere that welcomes guests and brings joy to everyone who steps into your home. As the holidays approach, there's no better way to celebrate the season than by infusing your space with the magic of gingerbread. This theme brings a sense of childlike wonder and holiday cheer, and its sweetness never fails to inspire smiles. Whether you choose to go all in with gingerbread houses and cookies or simply incorporate a few key pieces, your gingerbread-themed decor will surely become a cherished part of your holiday traditions for years to come. Beyond the delightful visuals and sweet fragrance, gingerbread decor also encourages creativity and crafting, making it a perfect activity for families. It's the kind of theme that invites everyone to get involved, whether they're decorating cookies, assembling miniature houses, or simply adding their own personal touch to a wreath or garland. These activities not only make for lasting memories, but also serve as a reminder of the warmth and togetherness that define the holiday season. So, as you begin decorating your space this season, remember that gingerbread decor isn't just about the decorations themselves, it's about the joy, laughter, and togetherness that these decorations bring. This timeless theme offers a way to make your home feel cozy, festive, and full of cheer. The charm of gingerbread has a unique way of filling a space with magic, evoking nostalgia, and creating an atmosphere of holiday wonder. As you bring the spirit of gingerbread into your home, let it serve as a reminder that the best moments during the holiday season are often the simplest: baking together, sharing sweet treats, and celebrating the magic of the season with loved ones. These simple, creative touches are what make your holiday season truly unforgettable. The beauty of gingerbread-themed decorations is that they effortlessly bring warmth and joy to any space. With its charming designs and nostalgic elements, this theme has the power to turn any room into a cozy, festive haven.